about to throw up.
You're not going to believe this.
You want the step stool going?
No.
No?
No. Call that lady in here. I want to show her. Call Helen.
Here, keep it rolling. Stuff in the window.
That's all right. This time I was... Oh my gosh. Would you...
I'm good. I'm just going to put it in here for now.
I was going to say,
And I'll put it in the bag. I have a drop cloth here.
No, I was...
Go ahead. What were you going to say?
I was going to ask you if you wanted rubber gloves.
Nah, I'm all right. I'm all right. I don't cut myself. I'm all right.
This has got to be like from before. We were only here 10 years, and we had it cleaned out more than once.
Yeah.
This can't be from me.
No. This is major clogged here. There's your drive vent right here. Okay.
And that's why it would hit that.
Right. It would hit this and it would go nowhere. So your drive vent is really clear right now. What we're going to do is we're going to put the vacuum on it again. We're going to pull from behind here. This vent is closed, right? There's somewhere it was, because there's definitely lint in here too, but I don't know what it was to.
What he pulled out so far.
At one point.
I have no idea. That's why we were here 10 years, and we've never opened up walls with ceilings.
Okay, no, it's all good.
And yeah, all right, go ahead, go out.
Okay. Can I stop filming?
Stop filming.